a string to connect the cup to the lid to prevent it from breaking.